Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that if you have got any type of invitation from your friend, from your referral or any of your contacts for Temu registration on your WhatsApp or maybe by your text or message link. So how you can just accept their invitation and how can you just create your account and log into your Temu account just shared by them. So for this we just need to check that who sent you the link, and you just have to open your messages and click I don't have any type of link right now. I'm just telling you that how can you accept that offer. So if you have received any type of message for TMU application, just click on that and it will redirect you to the Google Chrome website like this. I'm logging in, so you will be logged in like this, same I have, and here you will get a spinner that will be a demo account for you, and you can see this is how you can just log into your Temu account and switch it on the desktop side for more good options here. Like I will click on my account here and you will see that here is an option called switch account, addresses and many more. So you just can log in by this method. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you like, and we will meet again in the next and the best video with all of you.